All right, I've come up with an idea for my next piece, and it's going to be something to do with a cowboy on horseback. And what I'm doing right now is going through all my printed material that I have for making armatures, and trying to find something that matches the size of the horse that I want to do. Now, the only reason I'm doing that is because I don't have the publishing program that I used to have, to where I could just on my computer make the horse armature the size that I want to make in the clay. So I had to find old armature drawings to match the size that I want to do. And I know that doesn't make any sense, but believe me, it's this is what I'm looking for, is stuff like this, but a little bit bigger. I'll put that to the side. I've got lots of armature and anatomy drawings that I've made over the years. I don't throw them away. I probably should, but I keep them for a reason, and this is one of the reasons. It's probably going to take a week, or not quite that long, I don't know, before I can actually start making videos of me working on it. I've got a lot of stuff I got to look up and try to find. I've got a lot of printed material that's sitting around my studio that I need to go through and find, and that's a little bit big for the guy that I want to do. So anyway, I just wanted to give you a short video update as to what I'm doing. I'm sorry that this isn't much more of a video. As you can see behind me, I've got a ton of clay sitting out there on the shelf. And my problem right now is finding a place to put the next clay. I've got the cowboy clay sitting in front of the wall on this other side over here. You can't see it. But I've got to go through all this stuff and try to find something that I can work with. And if I can't, then I got to figure out how to make the armature without that type of help. It's probably going to involve using my caliper, my proportional caliper that I've got here, and I can do that. It's just a lot more work. I won't show the armature making, only because I have videos in my instructional videos on how to create armatures. I may have to order some wire to make my armatures. I'm running out of armature wire. I've got this armature wire here, which is a bonsai copper aluminum style looking armature wire that they use to wrap around armature, around bonsai trees to shape them. And it's good for armatures, but it might be too thick for the armature that I need. I have aluminum wire. This is good here that I got from Amazon, and I've got to work with that. Make sure I've got enough of that. Yeah, I do. Well, I did find something. It's a armature I was using a long time ago. I don't know how many years ago, of a horse armature from True Form Armatures. It's a smaller horse than the large one they have. I think I might use this one, but there are parts missing. As you can see, there's one rear leg that's not there, and one front leg that's not there. And that means I'd have to make an armature for those. That's not a big problem, I don't think. I've just got to figure out how I'm going to mount them on the for the clay, and I've got to figure out how to situate them. So this will help. I'm still going to keep looking for my anatomical drawings, and yeah, that's. So I'm sitting here looking at that clay, that armature, and I'm going to have to do some figuring on this one, how I'm going to use it, and what I'm going to have to do to modify the horse armature to fit my vision for this sculpture. And then I've got to decide on the size of base I'm going to use, what kind of wood I'm going to have to find to make the base for the clay, and whether I need to go to the lumber yard and get some wood cut or whatever. But again, I have a problem with trying to figure out exactly. I have to figure out a problem of where I'm exactly going to put my clay when I'm finished, because they don't all go to the foundry right away. They may sit on that shelf up there for years, as some of those have. All right, I'll see you next time. I don't know if it won't be this week. Probably next week sometime. I just got a lot of stuff I've got to bring together to get this going. I've got some people coming to pick up a bronze of theirs that I've got here waiting for them. And so it's going to be on Monday, and I'm going to be enjoying their company for a couple of days, so I don't think I'll be back in the studio until at least Wednesday or Thursday, if I'm back at all next week. I don't know. So until I get this all worked out in my head and on the physical plane, as far as the size of the base and all that stuff, have a great night. I'll see you next time. Good night. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.